Welcome back to the Cali Bro J. As you can see, I figured out what this was. It was greens and it's bolting. At first I thought it was broccoli at the top, turning into some type of broccoli or broccolini, but these are actual flowers, so I'm gonna harvest as much of the greens as I possibly can. The ones that are not bolting, I'm just gonna leave. The ones that are, I'm gonna harvest them, get them up out of here. I got a new raised bed, and I think I want to put it in this area. Well, I probably might just harvest most of it. So look at this, guys, all greens. Small try. I don't know what I'm gonna do with all of this yet. All right.
If you've made it this far in the video, why haven't you hit that like, share, and subscribe button yet? It's free. It's your Cali Bro J. You know the motto on the page. Each one teach one. And now let's continue with the video. Peace.